Hey guys, welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. So a little over a year ago when I got married, I got these mini Bundt cake pans as a gift. And I actually haven't used them yet. So I was wanting to, and I decided to make a crumb cake. So we're gonna make the cake part, and then we have the crumble topping and the icing. So it should be pretty easy. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell button so you'll be notified when we post a new video. The first thing we're going to make is our crumble topping. First, add your dry ingredients: flour and salt, brown sugar, cinnamon. Next, mix the dry ingredients together. Add slices of cold butter and crumble it using your fingers. Add in your almonds. So after you've made your crumble topping, you're ready to start on the cake part. First step is to cream the butter and sugar. Cream the butter and sugar together for about 3 minutes until light and fluffy. Don't forget to make sure your butter is softened before you start creaming the butter and sugar together. Crack your eggs one at a time into the bowl and mix after each addition. Add your vanilla extract next and mix. At this point, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a separate bowl, add your flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Next, just mix the dry ingredients together. Once you've mixed the dry ingredients, you're ready to pour it in with your creamed butter mixture. Mix just until combined. Next, you're going to add the sour cream. And mix. Don't overmix here, just beat it until it's combined. Make sure to heavily oil your mini Bundt cake pans. And now you're ready to fill them. Start by adding some of the crumb topping. Next, you're ready to add the batter. Now add some crumb mixture to the top. Once your oven is preheated, pop them in. While the cakes are cooking in the oven, we're going to make our glaze. Mix together powdered sugar and milk. So they've cooked for 15 minutes. Let's see how well they come out. And it popped right out. This is why you want to heavily oil your pans. Otherwise, pieces will be left stuck in the pan. Beautiful. So if they come out of the pan and they don't have a hole all the way through the middle like they're supposed to, because these are so small and the middle part didn't come up very far, that is what happened. So I would just suggest pushing it out yourself with your hands. You might want to wait till it cools down. And there you have your hole. Now it's time to put your icing on. If your icing is hardened before you got to it, don't worry. You can add just a tiny bit of milk, not too much, and whisk it in and it will be running again. This part's kind of messy, so make sure you have some kind of tea towel underneath your cooling rack. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. Any way you put it on will pretty much look beautiful. And that's it. Once your icing dries, your bundt cakes are now ready to enjoy. This recipe made 6 mini bundt cakes. You'll find the recipe in the description below.